What's up guys, it's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video we shall be taking a good look at Bitcoin. Now we could see right here that Bitcoin yesterday broke below major support at $123,660, and we managed to reclaim that level, stay above that level at $123,660, which is good to see. From the 2 hours time frame right here, you could see that we're kind of finding support around that level. Now what we should be worried about right now is, okay, what should we be expecting today from Bitcoin? I think what's most likely right now is also having to wait for a major breakout. Yes, a major breakout with volume, because right now the volume is really low. Yes, the volume is really low, and given the fact that a lot of data would have been released over the past week, but simply because of the government shutdown, the US government being shut down at the moment, those data are pending, like jobless claim data, CPI data, and I think some other data like that. So because everyone is anticipating for this data to determine if we're going to still get more rate cuts, if either it's 50 base points rate cut or 25 rate cut, no one knows, because these data are actually what aids in people to predict or analyze what's to come in the future. So I think that's basically all we need. And if the US government decides to continue to be active, to curb the shutdown, whatever they are actually going through right now, I think that will definitely bring a lot of volatility into the market, because a lot of data will be released from the government, and when this data is being released from feds and all whatnot, to really cause a lot of volatility in the market. So I think for now we should all be should I say optimistic, because mainly looking at this chart like this, you can't help but be bullish. Yes, you can look at this chart from the, so you can't help but be bullish on this chart. Sorry about that, someone just came in. So you can't help but be bullish on this chart. So you can see right now that we are within this resistance right here at 123,600. So if I want to be breaking above this, fine, but left to me, I think if we're going to get in a breakout above this level, we're most likely going to end up getting a dump at the end of the day, either a dump all the way down to 116,000, or even worst case scenario, we could even dump all the way down to 111,000, because 111,000 is where we have a CME gap, yes, which has not been filled. So worst case scenario, we might have to drop all the way down to $111,000. But if that is not going to be filled, if the CME gap is not going to be filled, maybe another person came in, so maybe we'll just have to find some level of support around here, because we have a CME futures gap right here at 116,200. so maybe we might find support around here, then continue running to the upside. But I do know for sure that the worst case scenario for Bitcoin right now is Bitcoin having to dump all the way down to $111,000 before having to rally much higher. So for today we should be expecting two possible moves. The first one is all having to drop all the way down to 119,268, or all the way from here we might consolidate until maybe we keep on going down further, or we happen to break out from this level. You could see we're kind of finding support around this level right here at 123,600. If we're able to find support around here, we'll most likely rally much higher today. So yeah, it all depends on the US market being bullish today. If the US market should bring in a lot of volume today, I think we're most likely going to see some bullish momentum from Bitcoin. But never the fact, I'll definitely be able to keep us updated. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.